Hey, Mark and Lori Welch here with an incredible incentive and a couple of important announcements to share with you. If you are under us in LifeVantage, no matter who sponsored you, you're on our team, we're offering a very special incentive. Today is the 26th of September. At 9:59 Pacific time on Sunday the 30th, the month closes out for this month with LifeVantage. Anybody who enrolls 2 new distributors on Vantage Packs between now and then is going to get a brand new 7-inch Android tablet running the latest version of Android. It's a fabulous tool for you to use. It's similar to the one pictured here, and you can take it to Starbucks or any place because the videos will be not only loaded on it but Wi-Fi enabled, so you can sign people up, use this for your business. We want to offer it to anybody that gets 2 Vantage Packs between now and then. Also, if you're in Northern California, we're making a run at getting our own premier school starting this winter. To do that, the company expects us to have 80 paying people coming to a major Super Saturday event 3 months in a row. The first one is on Saturday, October the 6th, right here in Sacramento. There is an enrollment form attached to this email. Please fill this out. Let's all show up there. You can invite guests too for the first part. They're free. But for us, let's pay, let's go, and let's fill that place up. Blue Elam is our first trainer for the first event. We can't wait. Check it out on Big Blue Calendar. Fill out the enrollment form. Get it sent back in to the proper person according to the instructions. Let's get our own premier school. It's going to be fantastic. The other thing I want to mention right now is that Elite Academy is just a month away. You guys, this is going to be an event like none other in the history of our company. We're expecting anywhere from 5,500 to 7,000 people to show up in Las Vegas for the event. All you've got to do to enroll is go to www.lifevantage.com/events. Now, enroll for your registration, and don't forget to get your hotel registration as well. Those are 2 separate steps. If you have any questions about any of this, send me an email. We'll be glad to get you the information. Mostly today, let's get started. Let's get 2 Vantage Packs enrolled, and Lori and I are just happy to personally provide for you a brand new tablet to use for your business. Thanks for watching. Let me know how we can help you.